Good morning guys, welcome back to this home, and for today's vlog we are going to make a detoxifier drink in our home, or this is how to make a detoxifier drink at home. First thing first guys, we have our mint, ginger, cucumber and lemon. First thing first, we are going to slice our ginger. So guys, I'm gonna tackle guys the benefits of our ginger. So for our ginger, I have here in my list. For the ginger guys, this is in terms of minerals, it has sodium, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. It also has a carbohydrates, dietary fiber and protein. So its vitamins includes vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, riboflavin and niacin. So this is rich in antioxidant guys, our ginger. Okay, so we are now going to put in the cooking pot and add 2 cups of water. Okay, so next thing is we are going to divide half of our lemon. We will add the half lemon on the boiling water with the ginger. So for the lemon guys, so we have here our lemons. So lemons may support heart health disease. So ang lemon guys, malaking tulong guys sa ating heart. Okay, let us boil this guys for 10 minutes. So simmer for 10 minutes only. The cucumber has its anti-inflammatory benefits. So it also have the bone health, and because of the vitamin K helps with blood clotting, and it may support bone health, and also it prevent cancer guys. So yun ang ating cancer, and for diabetic people guys, it can prevent and control diabetes. So we need to have cucumber because that's the benefits of our cucumber. Okay, the lemons may support heart health, weight control and digestive health. So nagsupport siya sa ato ang heart health guys, because lemons are a good source of vitamin C. Not only for vitamin C guys, the fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also significantly lower some risk factors for our heart disease. So lemons help control weight. So lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food and also prevent kidney stones. This detoxifier drink is very beneficial in our body, and not only our body but our mind as well. I hope you may try this in your very own kitchen guys, and this is not too expensive. The only expensive in here is only ginger. Okay, so guys, we are going to strain the boiling ginger and lemon. So guys, for the ginger guys, after you boiled once, you can dry it again and then boil it again next time. Okay, out of 2 cups, so we have 1.5 cup of the boiling ginger and lemon. Add the lemon and cucumber into the jar. Okay, so it's about time to pour our boiling mixtures to the lemon and cucumber inside the jar, and then shake it. And then all you've got to do guys, you're going to add 600 ml water, or it depends on your taste guys. So I have added ice cubes guys. Use it immediately. You are going to stir the mixtures, so it will distribute properly. And then it's about time to put our mints. For the mints, guys, the mints rich in nutrients, calories, fiber, vitamin A. It's also have iron and manganese folate also. So it may improve irritable bowel syndromes. It may help relieves indigestions. So that's the benefits of the mints. So mints is good to our body as well. So it's about time to fill up our glass with this detoxifier drinks, and then put lemon, cucumber, mint, and stir it. Then add additional temperature water, and especially guys, when the mixture is too strong, you can add water. I never add sugar for this mixtures, so this is very good for our body, guys. This is beneficial to our body. So if you haven't subscribed yet to Tess Home, please do subscribe, guys. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. So this detoxifier drinks, guys, this is affordable and very easy to make at your own pace of time in your home. And then yes, and this is good for everyone. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope lahat ay masaya, safe. God bless, and please don't forget to share. Okay, so bye bye and have a good time. This is Tess Home once again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.